The question is, will I ever shop there again? Okay, I bought a couple of pieces from Halara, and I'm gonna show them to you, and you guys let me know in the comments what you think of them. I don't love them. I'll just be honest. I got this maxi skirt, and I'll try them on and everything. And then these pants, and they're all wrinkled because they're still just straight from the package. I've probably had them over a month and I have not worn them because I have put them on a couple times and just said, no, I don't think so. So let me go start trying on and let's see what you guys think. Okay, so here's the first item. This is the skirt. So this is a maxi skirt. It is called the high-waisted drawstring maxi linen feel casual skirt in dusty cyan blue. It retails for $34.95, okay? Now I feel like it's a panty line. Now I have on like Soma invisible underwear, you know, like they don't show a lot of lines. It's not too bad. I'll show you the features. So it has a very thick and pretty tight, I will say. I mean, I can wear it, but just know that the waist is pretty thick and it's a tight waistband. And then it has a drawstring that I don't really think you need. It is a working drawstring. I mean, you can make it smaller. So you might want to size up, you know, in the waist. I don't know what that would do to the length, however, but, and it's very thin. I mean, it does have a linen look to it, I will say, and it probably on camera, when I'm looking at it on the camera, I think it does look like linen, but it doesn't feel like linen, and it actually feels like it would be really hot. Okay. So, like I was saying, it actually feels like it would be hot. I don't know. I should go out on the patio, I guess, and try it out, but it's just so like blah looking. It's just so, I mean, I like that it's loose. I don't know, I might wear this one. But like I said, I've had it for over a month and I have tried it on a couple times and changed my mind about wearing it. So I'm kind of doubtful that I'm ever gonna wear it, to be honest. Let's try the other one on. Okay, these are the pants. So these are the high-waisted, straight-leg, casual linen feel pants with pockets in Dune Mirage. So it's a beige. Now I will say, I got the extra small in both of these, and I'm normally like, don't get mad at me, but I'm normally like a 2. Anyway, I don't like to dwell on sizes, but, and the extra small is fitting me really, really nicely. It just depends on where I buy clothes. Sometimes I'm smaller than a 2, but honestly, I think they're sizing things differently to fool all of us, you know. But, so here's what they look like. You know, the length is good. It's the exact same fabric. So it's that linen, this linen feel fabric. It has a little bit of stretch to it. Again, 100% polyester, just like the skirt. And it does have like this little kind of a pattern in it to make it look linen-y. But I guess it's just because I actually really love linen. Now these of course don't wrinkle as badly as linen, which is nice. But, so they just don't feel like linen to me. They feel cheap. And honestly, they weren't cheap. Like these were $40, y'all. $39.95. So, you know, I think that's a bit much for the fact that they're just polyester. And yeah, so, but they do have these little pockets. So those are kind of cute. They have a snap and a zipper. Belt loops, as you can see. Trying to give you all the details. Then they're gathered a little bit back here, as you can see. So, okay, so I know I'm getting a reflection in my glasses. So it says that it is 100% polyester. That's all it is. It is just polyester. Okay, so like, let me know what you guys think of this kind of fashion. I mean, this is obviously, it says it's, you know, made in China. One thing I did not like about shopping with them is that the shipping took forever. I can't remember how many weeks, but I was forgetting that I even ordered them, you know? And honestly, I was thinking I might never receive them. So that was not fun. Sorry, my allergies are driving me crazy. But anyway, I was thinking that I might not even receive them. So that was not good. And then when they did come, honestly, they were pretty much the way I thought they were going to be. I mean, I'm pretty sure it said on the website that they were polyester. So, you know, I kind of knew what I was going to be getting, you know, that I was going to get this fake linen look. So would I shop there again? No. I'll just be honest. You know, maybe for the younger demographic, for, you know, the whole fast fashion craze, where you just want super seasonal pieces, you know, all the time. I just think as I've gotten older, I mean, I'm 57 years old. I'm not so much into fast fashion anymore. Now, I love a good sale, but I would rather shop at the stores where I know the quality is reliable. And this is kind of why I also quit shopping in boutiques, because I was just finding that, for one thing, boutiques, the sizing was horrible. Like, the tops were just really boxy. They didn't have any shape to them. And like, this is a top from Loft. And you know, it's my size. They're consistent with sizing. Not that Halara isn't, but, and you know, consistent with quality. So, and I know I can rely on the quality. So, and I bought this shirt in like 3 colors on sale, and probably on sale paid what I paid for these pieces from Halara. So that's what I'm saying. Like, particularly sometimes I like to shop, like, I like Banana Republic Factory, J. Crew Factory, and I will check Factory before I check the main site. Although sometimes the stuff on the main sites are on sale for the same thing they are at the factory site. Loft, I usually just go straight to the Loft site and shop there. And occasionally I go in a store, y'all, but I live in a smaller town and we don't have all these shopping options. So I pretty much just shop online. And since I know my sizes at these different retailers, I just tend to stick to them. And they always have very quality, you know, traditional, but still fun pieces. You know, you can get some seasonal stuff, but it doesn't feel like, you know, throwaway fashion. I'm pretty sure that these, after I washed them and stuff like that a few times, they would probably not be in, you know, the best shape. In fact, I need to I'll throw them in the washing machine and put them through the dryer, and I'll make a little short and I'll show you how they turned out, just to give them the wash test too. I didn't think about that before I made the video. But anyway, you know, they're not terrible. They are comfortable, I will say that. They are comfortable. But I feel like for the price and for the fact that the shipping took forever, and the quality is just meh, you know, it's okay, but it's not great. Now I will say, like, there's no tears, there's no, you know, the seams are all good. The seams are all, you know, intact. They seem like they're sewn well. I carefully inspected all the seams, no holes or anything like that. And honestly, I probably could have returned these, but I thought that it was such a hassle to get the stuff to me, to get shipped, that I just got lazy about it and was like, I'm not even gonna send them back. And since I didn't send them back and I haven't worn them, that's what kind of prompted me to say, make a video about it. Just tell people what your opinion is, you know? We all have our right to our opinion, right? So anyway, so will I shop at Halara again? No. Have I gotten the influencer marketing urge out of my system? Yes. I mean, it felt like, you know, you look at one pair of pants on the internet and then all your ads are targeted, you know, and I have all those filters and all that on there. It doesn't make any difference. You still get targeted. And so, anyway, I hope you find this helpful for anybody out there who's thinking about shopping at Halara and is maybe a more middle-aged lady. Hope you find it helpful. And those of you who watch my content for wigs, I'll be back with more wigs very soon. You know that's going to happen. So thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.